Ayan na ba? Kaya pala hindi kayo nagrara-live kahapon. Ayan. Tingnan mo nakalive na ako. Spend time ko mag-live na ako marunong. Hindi, tingnan mo sa Facebook ha. Tingnan mo yung Facebook ko ng kalay. First time ko na gabi. I-share mo na, be. Talaga sa barangay trend. At wala na yan, lubat tayo nakajudge na ng ano. I-share mo, ha? Yan na naman. Ito ko lang mag-direct.
Yung ano, bago magtakpay, bago nga... Oo, yan, tama. Kasi kunin nga nyo dito yung bawat labas. Asa na yun? Bawat labas na yun. Yan, pag-upalang sila tayo. Yes. Hindi, pagkatapos niyan, yung Q&A, kaya mo ito, Q&A at yan. Diyan yung ilalagay yung Q&A na galing sa ano, sa'yo, five. Tapos, pag nag-five ng tapay na, may anagala yung Q&A, yung nasa wet ay 50%. Ay, yung ginagawa pa nila? Yes, beauty ay 40%. Yun naman ang pagbabatay natin sa 5 lang ang pagkakala.
Hello. Hello. Ayan, good evening people of Barangay Transpoblacion. Alam ko kanina pa kayong excited na masimulan ang ating programa ngayong gabi. Kaya naman sa ating pong mga bisita at sa ating pong mga manonood, welcome po kayo dito sa ating covered court. Pwede po kayong humanap ng kanya-kanyang spot para para po mas makita nyo ang kagandahan ng ating mga kandidata. So ngayon po, welcome sa ating isa sa most exciting and highly anticipated event in coordination or in celebration po ng ating kapiyastahan in honor ng ating pong mahal na patron, San Roque. Kaya naman, to formally start our program for this evening, may I request everyone to please stand for the opening prayer to be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem through an audio presentation.
Dear God, as we gather here today, we humbly come before you, seeking your divine guidance and blessings for a successful event. We understand that success is not measured solely by outward achievements, but also by the love, unity, and purpose that we share. Grant us the wisdom to navigate challenges, the strength to persevere, and the insight to recognize the significance of every moment. May our efforts bear fruit, and may this event be a source of profound joy, inspiration, and achievement for all. We thank you for your unwavering support and presence among us. Amen.
Kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Ayan, thank you so much everyone, and you may now please find your comfortable seats and enjoy the rest of the night. So ngayon po, alam naman po natin na every celebration becomes more meaningful when it begins with a warm welcome. Kaya naman, tatawagin ko po ang isa sa napakasipag na mga SKU officials dahil alam ko kung gaano kahirap at kapagod ang dinaranas nila sa tuwing nagkakaroon ng ganitong mga events. Kaya naman, to welcome us all here in our in this venue, tawagin po natin ang napakasipag na SK Kagawa ng Barangay Tres Poblacion, Honorable Maristala Narido. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Excited na po ba kayo? Ay, okay, so ako po si SK Kagawad Maristela G. Narido. And kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan sa ating muling nagbabalik na event, ang Little Miss San Roque 2026. So, syempre po, welcome ko po lahat ng ating mga bisita na naandito sa ating bulwagan ngayon. Ang ating mga guests, mga judges, ang mga barangay officials, na patuloy pong sumusuporta sa atin. And syempre, ang ating mga proud parents, ang mga supportive na mga kabarangay at kapitbahay, and syempre po sa ating mga nagagandahang kandidata na lalaban po sa gabing ito. So, ito po ay isang paligsahan na hindi lamang nagpapakita ng ganda, talino, at magandang ugali. ko na kayo dahil alam ko na magiging successful ang ating Search for Little Miss San Roque 2026. At alam ko excited na rin kayo na makita sila. And also, our lovely candidates are ready to show as they are not just little princess for tonight. They are confident, charming, and ready to shine. So, ladies and gentlemen, get those cameras ready and let's welcome our beautiful candidates wearing their Barbie-inspired attire in their production number. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our lovely candidates is their production number. Please welcome candidate number 1.
Hi everyone, my name is Suhaida Bianchi and Federico. I am 6 years old from Sumudos.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1. And now it's your time, candidate number 2.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am happy and honored to stand before you. I am Maria Victoria Perez Palian, 8 years old, presenting Group O ng Barangay Tres, Pinsons! Ayan, thank you!
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. And now, please step forward, candidate number 3.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Susana Eva Quilly. I am 6
Kaya naman, Alvin, nakapag-grades na ang ating mga Board of Judges. So, thank you so much, ladies, and you may now proceed backstage and prepare for your next exposure. Thank you so much, ladies, and you may now prepare for your next exposure. Ayan, nakita na natin kung gaano ka-cute at kagaganda ang ating mga kandidata ngayon. 7 lovely candidates. So, alam ko na mahihirapan ang mga taong ito para i-grade sa kanila at malaman natin kung sino ang ating tatanghalin. I think this is not the first ever Little Miss San Roque, pero sa pagkakaalam ko, matagal bago nasundan ng Little Miss San Roque. Kaya naman, alam ko excited kayo na muling masaksihan ng ganitong klaseng event. So of course, behind every competition ay merong mga taong inatasan natin ang responsibilidad para tulungan tayong tanghalin kung sino ang magiging Little Miss San Roque 2026. So tonight, ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to present to you our esteemed panel of judges. So ladies and gentlemen, hayaan niyo po ako na ipakilala ang ating po mga panel of judges, and starting with judge number 1. Our judge number 1 is a 27-year-old lady, a graduate of Bachelor in Elementary Education from Mabini Colleges Incorporated, which she completed in 2019. She currently resides in Santo Domingo, Vincents, Camarines Norte. She is an active member in church and is known for her dedication, good attitude, and positive mindset. She is a friendly, responsible, and fast learner who values integrity, professionalism, and strong ethical principles. She also served as an SE Kagawad of Barangay Dos Poblacion for 2 years from 2022 to 2024. Where she gained valuable experience in community service and leadership. She worked at the Department of Labor Employment under the government internship program for 1 year. She also served at the Commission on Elections as an office staff for almost 1 year. She also worked at Inspire E-Commerce Solutions Incorporated as a team leader or supervisor from February 2023 to March 2024. With her educational background, community involvement, work experience, and commitment to serving others, she is honored to take part as one of the Board of Judges. She is contribute her fair judgment, knowledge, experience, and good values in evaluating our lovely candidates. Kaya naman, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin our judge number 1, Maria Nazarena Regine Valles Hernandez. Judge number 2 is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration at Camarines Norte College. Aside from her studies, she has also been given opportunities to be part of the beauty and fashion industry. She is one of the ambassadors of Beauty Empire Salon and Spa Lounge in Daet, and also an ambassador of Velvet Bags Jewelries and a K-Angels beneficiary of Team Kalingap. Ladies and gentlemen, palapakan po natin our judge number 2, Marian Rodriguez Bacurin. Thank you so much for, and of course, to complete our set of board mag-serve as the chairman of the board for this year's Search for Little Miss San Roque 2026. And our chairman of the board is a 33-year-old resident of Barangay 1, Vinsons, Camarines Norte. She completed her elementary education at Vinsons Pilot Elementary School and her secondary education at Vinsons Pilot High School. She earned her college degree from Camarines Norte State College, where she is also currently pursuing a master's degree in business administration. She began her professional career at the DepEd Schools Division Office, where she worked in the accounting section as a senior bookkeeper. She is currently serving as an administrative officer too at Ginakutan Elementary School. Her goal is to become a successful and better version of herself while inspiring young people to pursue their dreams and reach their full potential. She believes that dedication, perseverance, and a positive attitude are essential keys to achieve a success. And ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our judge number 3 and of course our chairman of the board, Ma'am Mariel de la Cruz Villanueva. Thank you so much po, ma'am. And of course, before we proceed, let's take a moment para po malaman naman natin ngayon ang ating pong official criteria for judging. So this criteria will guide our judges in selecting tonight's winners and of course, Little Miss San Roque 2026. So ngayon po, hayaan niyo po ako na ilahad sa inyo ang ating po mga criteria for judging for this evening. At kanina po, nasaksihan na natin ang ating po mga nagagandahang kandidata sa kanilang Barbie dress attire. And of course, i-rate po sila ng ating po mga judges sa mga sumusunod na criteria. Criteria for judging for Barbie dress: doll-like resemblance 30%, outfit and styling 25%, voice and catwalk 25%, Barbie persona and charm 20%, a total of 100%. And of course, meron din po tayong talent portion. At ito po ang mga sumusunod na criteria for judging: performance and technical skill 30%, stage presence and charisma 25%, originality and creativity 25%, overall impact and entertainment value 20%, a total of 100%. For dream attire naman po, relevance and accuracy 30%, poise and bearing 25%, grooming and neatness 25%, stage presence and confidence of the candidate 20%, a total of 100%. And of course, meron din po tayong evening gown competition, and here are the following criteria: gown selection and fitting 30%, confidence and walk 25%, poise and posture 25%, stage presence and charm 20%, a total of 100%. And para po sa first set of exposures ng ating mga kandidata, ito po ang last, ang Q&A. So ito po ang ating criteria for judging: wit and content 40%, stage presence 20%, projection and delivery 30%, overall impact 10%, a total of 100%. So ang exposure po, para sa kalaman po ng lahat, ang exposure ng ating mga kandidata from Barbie dress, talent portion, dream attire, evening gown, and of course, first round of Q&A, yun po ang babasehan natin ng Final 5. And of course, after choosing our Final 5, ay magkakaroon po tayong muli ng another set of question and answer. At yun po ay sasagutin ng ating Final 5. At ang ating po criteria for judging para sa final round ng ating Q&A ay intelligence is 40%, and of course, baliktad po, intelligence is 60% and 40% for beauty. So sana po aware ang lahat sa ating po mga handlers at sa ating po mga parents, supporters, yun po ang ating magiging flow ng ating programa ngayong gabi. So everyone, alam ko excited na kayo na muling makita ang ating mga kandidata sa stage. Kaya naman, pwede ba ako makahingi ng isang malakas na palakpakan? So ngayon po, alam kong kanina pa natin ang ating mga kandidata para po ipakita hindi lang ang kanilang kagandahan ngayong gabi, pati na rin ang kanilang talent. Kaya naman, let us all welcome our candidates in their talent competition, starting with you, candidate number 1. Thank you so much, candidate number 1. Ayan, simula pa lang yan at nakikita na natin ang future ni candidate number 1. It's either magiging actress or singer. But, thank you so much, candidate number 1. And now, tuloy-tuloy na natin ang ating programa. Kaya naman, tawagin natin ang susunod na kandidata para sa kanyang talent. Please welcome on stage, candidate number 2.
sa aking fans. Love nila ako sa streets, pero hate nila sa page. Doesn't matter kasi importante ako'y laging great.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Ayan, Jacksonis naman si candidate number 2. And kuha-kuha niya ang ating mga TikTok trends. Thank you so much, candidate number 2. And reminder lang din po sa ating mga kandidata, after your talent portion, please prepare for your next exposure po. Thank you so much. And of course,